Today, we're diving into the powerhouse that is the Patriot Memory Viper 4 Series DDR4 32GB, 2x16GB, 3200 MHz RAM kit. This kit boasts impressive specs, including a base frequency of PC4-17000, 2133 MHz, and a tested frequency of PC4-25600, 3200 MHz, with XMP 2.0 enabled. The base timings of 15-15-15-36 deliver solid performance, while the tested timings of 16-18-18-36 ensure reliability under heavy workloads. What sets this kit apart is its custom aluminum heat spreader, designed for faster heat dissipation and cooler operation. This feature not only enhances performance but also prolongs the lifespan of your system. Plus, with a voltage of just 1.35 V, you get efficient power usage without sacrificing performance. Whether you're a hardcore gamer pushing your system to the limit or a content creator tackling resource-intensive tasks, this RAM kit has you covered. Its compatibility with desktop systems makes it a versatile choice for a wide range of users. And let's not forget the peace of mind that comes with Patriot Memory's limited lifetime warranty. With this level of quality assurance, you can trust that your investment is protected for the long haul. In summary, the Patriot Memory Viper 4 Series DDR4 32GB, 2x16GB, 3200 MHz RAM kit is a top-tier choice for anyone seeking the best in performance, reliability, and longevity. Upgrade your system today and experience the difference firsthand. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.